Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the channel. It's all Grady. I'm Denise.
And I'm Marcel.
You guys, it has been quite a week. We've had some good weather. We've had some bad weather. But today, it is a good day to do blocks.
Yeah, the sun came out.
Yay!
It's the only day this week. Now, yesterday we had rain. We had a rainy day.
Yeah.
So it was the only day we couldn't work. The days before were cloudy, but man, we killed it.
Yeah.
For real. For us, I think we smashed it, man. We got like 50 some blocks a day. And it's in a short window. Like even today is a short window. We had to spend a good portion of the morning doing water removal.
Yeah.
Which isn't easy because it's a lot of water.
It's a lot of work. Yeah, it
so,
took all three of us probably about a half hour.
No, it was more than that because I had to drain that bag back there. It was like an hour. We spent an hour squeegeeing. So. But we have 3 rows done in the back. We have 2 rows done on the sides. And we have 1 row done in the front. So since it's a beautiful day, we're going to scream across the front of this wall and get it caught up to the sides.
Yep.
And then we'll fall back and start again. And start coming around if we can. So it's working on noon now. But I think we could get it. Yep. I think we could get our 50 blocks today. And then we'll try to catch up to the back.
Yep, so I think we're blazing right along. We've made improvements each day that we've done blocks.
And we started earlier those days. We have a later start today because yesterday was a rain day.
Yep.
And we had to do a lot of water removal.
Clean up.
Tomorrow's a rain day, which means the next day will be a lot of water removal as well. But that's just what we're going to have to contend with.
Yeah.
Because that's what it is.
So one good thing about living here in the South, we have gotten some freezing temperatures, but we're still relatively warm weather. Yeah, I mean it's mild winters so far.
Yeah. 4 to 6 weeks or whatever is like 6 weeks of winter, and it's no snow. It's like ice.
Yeah.
Whatever, but it feels cold. It feels colder than it is here the whole time. The whole winter it feels colder than it is. 60 degrees can feel cold.
Yeah. There's a lot of rain during this time, and so that increases the humidity, which if any of you know, humidity and cold, makes it worse.
Yeah.
So
anywho, we're not here to cry and complain.
Nope.
We're here to smash some blocks, baby.
We are going to get started this morning.
Heck yeah.
We're going to start on the front.
I laid my first half block today because both sides of these will be a full block, half block, full block, half block.
Oh, for the door.
Yeah, so we bought enough to do, I think we bought enough half blocks to do a door and 2 windows. Now, since then we've decided to go with 4 windows, but we paid extra for a block that we don't necessarily have to because we can cut these blocks. Now that we know that we can cut these blocks, that's what we'll do.
Right. So,
but I get to do something I haven't done yet. I should be half as fast.
Half as fast? So Gage is already mixing up mud for us this morning. And the temperatures are warming up.
Yeah.
as the sun stays out. When it hides behind the clouds, it's a little more chilly, but
Yeah. So I think what we ought to do right now, before we lose the sunshine, is we ought to put a string line up.
yep, gotta
Because
get our string line up.
Gage is going to be ready for me when he's ready for me, and I need to be ready to blaze like whatever.
Yep.
Blazing saddles.
Yep. So we're gonna try to make another dent in it today.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and get our string line laid out.
Yeah.
And yeah, get started.
Yeah, sweet. Let's do it.
Cool.
I'll mosey down and see if, before we get started, and see if the deer is down there at that corn.
We're up at the pond checking out where we laid the feed for the deer. So we're really looking forward to this year. This is something that Gage has been wanting to do for, a long time. And yeah, we have the property to do it now. So we're gonna get us a deer this year. And let me tell you, they taste really good around here. I've actually had deer before, Didn't like it. That was back home where they were more gamey. Here they're pretty sweet.
Everybody feeds them corn.
Yeah, everybody feeds them corn. Baiting is allowed here, so it's pretty awesome.
They're not feeding though.
No.
This would be gone by now if the deer had found it. Have to pay attention.
Hey everyone, back again with a new day, and it is chilly and drizzly today. So we're still gonna get back at the house build.
Yeah, we were going to yesterday, but it was much too wet and rainy, and it makes your string line wet and saggy. So
unfortunately we had to take a day off yesterday.
Probably should today too.
Probably should today too, but we really want to try to get some more blocks laid, so we're gonna go ahead and go for it. It stays above freezing today, and then tomorrow it gets even warmer, so we're probably safe. We're crossing our fingers.
Yeah.
It's gonna be safe.
We just hit the temperature that you can set a block, and we barely stay over that.
Yeah,
But as long as we stay over that,
we'll be good.
we'll be good. For the first few hours, and it needs to stay over freezing for the rest of the time. So it's like 40 degrees or something.
So we have come quite a ways in the last few days of our build, and we're excited to get started on where we left off last, which was on the front. We have a few blocks to fill in, and then
I don't know. What are we doing this morning?
babe,
Well, 2 days ago we left off on the front here, on our third row. We got 4 blocks to finish this side, and then all of them on this side. And then we can go down the end wall to get us back under the tent. That will get us to third row all the way around, which is our horizontal trussing row or whatever. It's the one that you put the metal in. So we'll just do all that together.
yay!
That'll be sweet. But today it's not supposed to rain. It barely stays above the temperatures. But tomorrow's supposed to rain. We'll try to get us up underneath that tent. We're not going to push too hard. We got a lot of water removal to do.
Yeah.
But
So let's see what we could accomplish with today.
yeah, let's see what we can accomplish with today.
Well, with December well on its way, we feel really good that we've gotten this far in our build. We're 3 rows in. Our next row will be for our truss row, which is a reinforcement row. So we won't be getting into that tomorrow, I don't think. So we're supposed to get quite a bit of rain tomorrow. So we're going to just play it by...
Nintendo.
Why do they say play it by ear if you're actually watching for something? We're going to watch and see what the weather brings us tomorrow. How you feel about it, baby?
How, I don't know. About what?
About our day.
Feel pretty good. Well, we didn't get as much as we did all the other days, but...
Yeah, we started a little afternoon.
Yeah. It was barely warm enough to start setting blocks.
Yeah, it's pretty cold, you guys.
Yeah, 40 when we started, and it only gets to 45 today, so it might already be 45. It doesn't drop down into freezing tonight, so that's super cool.
Yeah, in fact, it warms up, which brings tornadoes tomorrow. But luckily, we're not supposed to be expecting any.
Yeah, there's no way they could ever come here. They're always down south where it's more, there's more like, I don't know, tornado-y things to do.
Yeah, they're down south where the tornadoes like to hang out.
Yeah.
Well, anyways, we're in like a good little pocket where we do get hit by some weather, but not as bad. It's nice.
Yeah, I think Mother Nature just does whatever she wants to do anyways.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll get one, maybe we won't.
Oh, goodness.
It would be sweet if we didn't because we're not quite ready.
Yeah.
We could come up here and look real brand new.
So we've been planning on trying to figure out exactly which room we're going to go for the shelters per se, tornado shelter. And what are you thinking, babe?
I'm thinking where we put all the steel sounds like the best spot to me.
Okay, and where was that?
Right there.
In that front corner.
In that front corner. You know why I want to do it in the front corner? Mm-hmm. Because if you're in the back corner of your house and there's no way out back there and the house caves in on you, then you're stuck back there. So this room will have 2 windows.
Yep.
We'll just have fortified shutters that can be inserted or closed up on it or whatever so that it could be tornado resistant.
Yeah, nothing's ever for sure, but we'll do our best to...
Yeah, to not die.
Yeah.
Yeah, we watch Twister. We know what's up. Man, you guys sure do have a lot to say about liver. Pretty cool, man. It's like everybody's got some weird experience that they've had. Or maybe not weird experience, but you have an experience. And it's like something that we have all had some experience with this alien substance. Some of yous like it, some of yous don't. But we appreciated all the comments. They were pretty cool.
You guys, we really appreciate everybody dropping comments. It was really awesome to have the interaction, to see everybody's experiences, and just, hear some stories. So thank you guys for sharing your experiences and your stories with us. Well, it is getting late, you guys, and we got quite a bit done today, even though we got a late start.
Yeah.
We're looking forward to the next day that we could get working. We're not sure when that's going to be. In the meantime, we'll find other things to do because there's so much to do on the homestead. All right, everyone. Thank you guys for tagging along with us. If you guys are enjoying our videos, please be sure to give us a big thumbs up. Ring that notification bell. Share our videos.
Heck yeah.
Subscribe.
Please do.
Doesn't cost anything.
We'll see you guys on the next one.
Peace.
Bye! Dinner time.
Yeah, let's go find dinner. But if you've made it this far in our videos, please be sure to give us a big thumbs up.
If you've been enjoying our content.
All right, if you guys enjoy our content, please be sure to give us a big thumbs up. Ring that notification bell. Share our videos.
Heck yeah, man. Share them things.
And thank you guys for watching.
Keep coming back. Am I supposed to say? What am I supposed to say?
We'll see you on the next one.
Oh, we'll see you on the next one.
Peace.
Peace. Ready to do it again?
Okay. All right, everyone. If you guys are enjoying our videos, please be sure to give us a big thumbs up. Ring that notification bell. Share our videos.
Heck yeah.
Subscribe. It is free. It doesn't cost you anything.
Yeah, maybe a little bit of time and some finger skin.
So go hit that button.
Heck yeah.
All right, we'll see you guys on the next one.
What am I supposed to say?